So here we are at Lakelands, heading north to Cape York, and they've got a bit of an information part here on the side of the road before you turn left up the PDR. This is a great little spot, a lot of information about the area and what you're going to see, I guess. A little bit on Cooktown. Wudja was the other one. So Wudja, you get the nice waterfall too. That's if you head up the Bloomfield Trackway. So you get all this undercover area here with loads of information. Just make sure you stop in and check this bit out. It'll give you a bit of knowledge on it all. Lower your tyre pressures, things like that too. Be croc-wise.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
So here's another great spot as you're travelling north, just on the other side of Cowan. You've got this beautiful river, Cowan River. Great spot to camp right on the side of the river here. Even some of them have actually gone over the other side. So it's quite an easy little crossing, which is right in front of me just here. Ooh, water's a little bit chilly. Yeah, great spot to cross over and have your own little campsite over the other side there. It's quite an easy crossing, quite rocky. And kick back and relax in this water. So it's a great campsite heading north or south on the way back from the tip or heading up to it. Just thought we'd give you a bit of a look around as we're heading through. Obviously, wet season this would be well under. And while it's not wet season, a great spot for park up and enjoy. There's people over there got a decent sized van. So yeah, big upgrades going. So I'd say they're putting in a nice big bridge there to stop all the times that it's blocked with flooding and people getting swept off. Yeah, huge upgrades going on here at Archer River. Righto, let's get in there. Check out a little bit around Archer River Roadhouse and keep heading on. This is the carnage you see a fair bit when people don't take their time on these roads. Looks like it's rolled or something, so it's some pretty good damage to it. So here we are, pulled up at Bramwell Junction for a bit of a snack, and going to get on the road and keep going. We thought we'd give you a bit of a look around. The iconic tree with all the number plates. Just trying to get out of the sun. Give you a bit of a look. Many number plates on there, which I'd say would come out of the telly track. So many number plates on this tree, they're actually starting them on another tree, which is just over there where the car is. Beautiful, nice, grassy campgrounds. A little bit of shelter over there as well. Great spot to pull up if you're going to go and do the telly track. It's just around the corner. Here's the telly track. Just here is the start of the old telly track. So we're at the southern end of the telly track. This is the end with Gunshot and Palm Creek and all the good stuff. You got Nolan's on the northern side. That's where you head. Down through there. We won't be doing that this time round due to the fact we're on a bit of a time limit. Fuel's a bit pricey up here, which you expect for the distance they got to bring it, but when you need it, you need it. We finally have made it to
Fruitbat Falls.
Time to take that short drive into Fruitbat Falls, go and have a swim. But we are a little bit over this dirt road at the moment. That last part that we've just done, probably 30 k's of it, is absolutely shocking. A lot of the other parts of the road that we've actually been on have been really good. Basically like a highway, a dirt highway. But just here's not too bad. A little bit of roughness on the road on the corner at the top side, but down the bottom side there's been good, but there's sections that are absolutely shocking. So anyway, let's go and have a swim. Hey Chad, how excited are you?
Very.
Very excited?
Yep.
Is this your first time to Fruitbat Falls?
Mhm.
Yep.
Yep.
Sure. Are you sure?
Yeah.
It is. It's the first time here for Chad and the wife, and yeah, I think they're pretty excited for this one. It's been like 2 years since I've been here. The roads have changed a hell of a lot more tar. So let's do the last little bit of a walk down and jump in here. So, you know, you get to the wooden path, you know, you're just around the corner and you can hear it. What do you reckon, Chad?
Very nice.
Really nice?
Yeah.
Don't look too busy either.
No, I think it's cliff jumping.
A bit of a flow to it. Let's get down there. Look at this cracking spot. Kids are running and jumping off the top of the falls part there. It's surprising for this time of the year, when the road's actually quite busy as well, there's no one here. Unbelievable. There's a fair bit of water in here still though. Surprising, it's been raining on and off a little bit today, but just a bit of a sprinkle. Surprising how much water's still in here though. Absolutely amazed.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you